Hello children, your Ashwini ma'am is back. Welcome my dear cutie pies. How are you all? You are happy and enjoying at home, right? Very good. Today let's start our class with a peel banana warm up. Alright? Are you all ready? Yes? Then all of you stand up and say along with ma'am. Okay? Do the actions. Alright? Yes? Ready? Peel banana. Peel banana. Chop banana. Chop banana. Shake banana. Shake banana. Now a banana shake is ready. Let's drink it. Yes? Drink banana. Drink banana. Banana. No more banana. Banana. No more banana. Children, how was it? Did you all enjoy? Yes? Very good. Okay, now let's begin. Children, do you remember what we had learnt in our previous class? What were the letters? A and A. Have you all practiced from home writing A and A? Yes? Very good. And do you remember the words that start with A and A? Yes? Say anan. Say ananas. Say adrak. Say amrut. Say ajgar. Do you remember? Yes? Children, and the second letter we learned is A. All of you remember, right? Yes? And what were the words? A say aam. A say aloo. A say adu. A say aag. And what was the last word? Do you remember? That thing which is used for cutting wood? Remember? Yes? Yes, very good. A say ari. Today I am going to teach the third letter for you. Which is the third letter? Any guess? No? No problem. Ma'am will tell you. The third letter is E. What is that? Children, tell me. E. All of you together. E. Today I am going to teach you the third swar in Hindi. That is E. Children, before we start learning the letter E, let me take you to a storyland. And there we are going to listen to a story of a boy whose name is Ishan. Say hi to Ishan, all of you. Ishan is very fond of traveling. He loves to travel in his blue car. His summer vacation has started and he has planned to go to Allahabad to his grandparents' house. Ishan is very happy to see his grandparents. His grandmother is giving him his favorite idli with imli chutney and elaichi tea. The next day in Allahabad, he went for shopping. There he saw big imarat. Inside the imarat, he saw an itr shop and he saw his favorite itr in a blue bottle and he purchased the itr. Outside the imarat was an imarti wala. Ishan's favorite sweet is imarti. He went to the imarti wala and bought some imarti. After the full day shopping, Ishan was so tired, so he planned to go back to his home. While walking, he saw a poor beggar. He was so hungry, so he gave his imarti to the poor beggar. Seeing this, Ishan's grandfather was very proud of Ishan. Ishan's grandfather gave him inam. Ishan was very happy to get the inam. Children, did you all enjoy the story? Yes? Very good. You have heard some new words in the story, right? You know what are those words? Yes, you might have guessed from the pictures, right? Very good, children. Now we are going to look in detail those words. Alright? So, what was the swar that I taught you today? It's E. Children, say E. So, children, what is the swar we learned today? It is E. The third letter in Hindi, the third swarakshar in Hindi, that is E. And what was the story about? It was about Ishan's travel to Allahabad. What is common there? Ishan, Allahabad. E, right? Ishan, Allahabad. Ishan is the name of the boy and Allahabad is the name of a place. Alright? And now I will teach you words that starts with E. Alright? Say idli. Children, you know what is idli? Yes. Idli is a food item. It's a breakfast food. Right? Yes. And what is this? What is this, children? Isse imli. Isse imli. Imli means tamarind in English. Tamarind. Isse imli. Next one. Isse ilaichi. Along with idli, what tea Ishan is drinking? Ilaichi tea. Yes, do you remember? Ilaichi means cardamom in English. What is that? Cardamom. Isse ilaichi. And children, our next word is imarat. What Ishan saw in the market? He saw big buildings, right? Buildings means imarat in Hindi. Alright? So, isse imarat. Isse imarat. And what shop he have seen in the imarat? It's an itr shop. It's an itr shop. What is itr? Itr means perfume. Itr means perfume. Isse itr. Children, isse itr. And next word. In front of imarat, who was sitting? It was an imarti wala, right? What is an imarti, children? What is this? Can you guess? Yes, it's a sweet, right? Isse imarti. And imarti wala means a person who is selling imarti. Alright? Isse imarti. And next word, isse inam. What grandfather is giving to Ishan? He is giving an inam, right? Inam means prize or gift. Isse inam. Isse inam. Now children, let's see the words once more. All of you repeat along with ma'am. Isse idli. Isse idli. Isse imli. Isse imli. Isse ilaichi. Isse ilaichi. Next word. Isse imarat. Isse imarat. Isse itr. Isse itr. Isse imarti. Isse imarti. Next word. Isse inam. Isse Inam. Children, all of you understood the words that start with our Swarakshar E? Alright? Children, now I am going to teach you how you can write E. Are you ready? Yes? Very good. Look into the board, children. For writing letter E, there are two methods. I will show you both of the methods, right? First, draw a small standing line, then a half circle towards right, then one more half circle towards left, and then on the down part, draw a loop, and on the top, draw a slipping line. Alright? And the second method is draw a small standing line. Then you know to write English alphabet yes, right? Write yes. Then in the down part, draw a loop. On the upper part, draw a slipping line. So simple, right children? Yes. Now children, let's see how to write E on your 5-line workbook and on your 2-line notebook, right? From the blue line, draw a small standing line, write English alphabet S, then a loop in the down part. Then on the top, draw a slipping line. Once more, let's see. Draw a small standing line, then S, then loop, and then on the top, slipping line. Now let's see it on your 2-line notebook, right? Draw a small standing line, then S, then a loop, and on the top, slipping line. Children, let's see it one more time. From the blue line, draw a small standing line, then S, then a loop on the down part, and then on the top, a slipping line. Isn't it easy, children? All of you practice writing E. Alright? Children, now we have a small activity. Circle the words that starts with E. Alright? You have to tell me the words that start with E and I will circle the words. Alright? I have written some words in Hindi on the board and children, you have to identify the words that start with E. Alright? Children, look here. Is it Ase Imli? Is it? No, right? It's Isse Imli. So we will circle it. And the second word, is it Isse Anar? Is it Isse Anar? No, it's Ase Anar. Right? And next word, Imarat. What is the starting letter? It's E. Isse Imarat. And next word, Aam. Do you remember, children? Yummy, yummy, Aam. Aam means mango. Is it Isse Aam? No, right? It is Ase Aam. So we will not circle that. And next word, it's Isse Inam. Right. Isse Inam. So we will circle this word. And next word, Aag. What is Aag? Aag means fire. Is it Isse Aag? No, right? It is Ase Aag. So we will not circle Aag. And the next word, what is this? It's अदरक. Is it a से अदरक or is से अदरक or a से अदरक? What is the correct word? It's a से अदरक, not e. The starting letter is not e. And next word, what is this? Itra. What is the starting letter? Yes, it's e. So we will circle it. Very good, children. Children, hope you clearly understood the third svar in Hindi, that is E. Right? Now I will sing a small rhyme for you. E से इमली खट्टी खट्टी, ई से इमली खट्टी खट्टी, ई से इमरती मीठी मीठी, ई से इमरती मीठी मीठी, ई से होता है इनाम, ई से होता है इनाम, मिलता है जब हम करते हैं अच्छे काम, मिलता है जब हम करते हैं अच्छे काम. Children, the fourth svar in Hindi, that is E or big E, right? E. What was that previous letter? E. And today what we are going to learn? E. Children, what is the sound? E. Children, repeat after ma'am. E. Very good, children. Now let's see some words that starts with E. Are you ready? Yes, very good. Children, let's recap once more. E. And what is this? Next letter, next word. E. E. Children, repeat after ma'am. E. Children, E से eek. E से eek. Eek means sugar cane in English. Eek means sugar cane. E से eat. E से eat. Eat means bricks. Eat means bricks. E से eat. E से eat. Eat means Eid is a religious festival. During Eid, people hug each other and they pray and they have feast. E से Eidgah. E से Eidgah. Eidgah is the place where people go and pray on the day of Eid. Eid से Eidgah. Eid से Eidgah. E से Ishwar. E से Ishwar. Ishwar means God, the Almighty. E से Ishwar. Children, once more, you repeat after ma'am, okay? E से eek. E से eek. E से eat. E से eat. E से eat. E से eat. E से Eidgah. E से Eidgah. E से Ishwar. E से Ishwar. Kids, now I will teach you how to write E. Children, all of you listen carefully. For writing E, draw a small standing line, then write English alphabet S and then a loop at the bottom and then a sleeping line, and then a curve on the top. Children, do you understand? Now let's see how we can write E in your 5-line workbook and 2-line notebook. From the blue line, draw small standing line, write letter S, then loop, then on the top, sleeping line and a curve on the top of the sleeping line. Once more, from the blue line, draw small standing line, then English alphabet S, then loop, then sleeping line, then a curve on the top. Now let's see how we can write E in your 2-line notebook. Draw a small standing line, write S, then a loop, then on the top sleeping line, again on the top of the sleeping line a small curve. Once more, standing line, letter S, then loop, sleeping line, and then curve. Children, you all have to practice writing letter E in your 5-line book as well as in your 2-line notebook. Alright? Now we will do a small activity. Can you see some pictures on the board? Yes? Very good. You have to identify these pictures and tell ma'am the starting letter of these pictures. Right? What is this? It's a pomegranate. Very good. For pomegranate, what we will tell in Hindi? Yes, anar. Very good, children. So what is the starting letter? The starting letter is A. Now the second picture, arm. What is the starting letter? Tell me. Ah, very good, children. Now, what is this? What is this? Yes, it's an imli. It's a imli. So the starting letter is E. Very good. Let's write E. Now children, what is this? Today I have taught you E say Eek. Eek means sugar cane. So what is the starting letter? E. Right? E over here. Children, I hope you all have understood our fourth sword E very clearly. What is that, children? Repeat after ma'am. E. Once again. E. What is the sound? E. E say E. अच्छी बातें सीख. E say E. अच्छी बातें सीख. So children, bye for today. See you in